Do you want to get this 2024 bucket list filter and create videos like this? Then you came to the right video. If you've seen these videos pop up in your TikTok or Instagram applications and you want to create your own video, simply follow my steps. This is a fun little filter that you can share with your friends or family members, and you'll only need the TikTok application for this. We will open our TikTok app and then we'll tap on this little search icon at the top right corner of our screen. When we get to the search page, we will type 2024 bucket list. You can see that we have a lot of the videos with this effect applied to them, and we will open any of the videos. The next thing that we have to do is to click on this My 2024 Bucket List effect button right above the TikTok profile name, and that is going to open another section in the app where it will show us all of the different videos on TikTok with this effect applied to them. If you want this effect in your camera, then tap on this button that says Use this effect, and you can start creating a video of your own now. You will have this little yellow paper above your forehead, and it will give us 3 different things that we have to do in the following year. Just click on the record button, and the effect will start giving you different things on your bucket list. You can comment down below what are the 3 things on your 2024 bucket list, and if you want more similar tutorial videos about TikTok effects and other stuff, then make sure to leave a comment down below, and I will see you soon.